Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Peaky Blinders Season 5, Episode 3. Just before beginning talking about Peaky Blinders and what is happening on the Season 5, I have to say it. You saw it with my channel if you are following me, and if you don't, I think that you already know that because it means that you are searching for reaction videos about Peaky Blinders and you are not finding any. It's logical because each reaction videos about Peaky Blinders are blocked in the whole world. Every reactor who is doing reaction videos about this new season, the season 5 of Peaky Blinders, all of their videos, our reaction videos are blocked. There is a reason behind that. It's blocked by the BBC because for now Peaky Blinders is out only on the BBC and not on Netflix. So I think that the BBC is really trying to control the fact that if you want to see Peaky Blinders, if you want to see the show, you have to subscribe to the BBC. They don't want to have stuff about this season 5 of Peaky Blinders, videos, promotional videos, fan videos, reaction videos, all of that. They don't want any stuff about this season 5 about Peaky Blinders anywhere. So they are really blocking everything. They are not really allowing anything about this season 5 of Peaky Blinders, even fan videos. I mean, not just reaction videos, but even fan videos. I can totally understand that. But you know, or maybe you don't know it, but I'm gonna explain it to you. Each time when I'm making a reaction video, I'm really trying to follow the rules that I can see that the show, the productions, and the owners of the rights of the show are allowing for reaction videos. So each time for each video I'm just letting like 10 minutes or 8 minutes of the show because I'm not a way for you to watch the show. I'm not a streaming, you know, I'm not an hidden streaming way of watching the show. I'm really not doing these reaction videos for that. I'm really doing them for fun, and really I think it can be fun or just interesting to have also my reactions and my point of view, my analysis of the show. You know it, if you know my channel you know it. I'm really speaking like maybe 10 minutes in intro and 10 minutes in review, and I'm letting 10 or 8 minutes of the episode. So really for me I'm making these reaction videos really more to talk about the episode and to share my theories about it, my analysis about it, what I think about this episode, why, what I think that can happen in the next episode, what I think about the whole season. You know, I'm really in love with the shows that I'm making reaction videos about, so I can really speak a lot about them. And you know, yes, I can totally understand the BBC, why they are really blocking the videos, the reaction videos, but also the fan videos about this season 5 of Peaky Blinders, but I don't want to give up on reaction videos. So yes, I found a way to deal with that with the episode 1 and 2. I uploaded on YouTube my intro and reviews of the episode, and I uploaded on another platform the part with my reactions. With that, you know, I don't have a lot of views for my videos about Peaky Blinders. I mean, even just with my binge watching of Peaky Blinders, I didn't have a lot of views about this binge watching, and I'm not making these videos for views. I'm really making them for fun, so it's alright for me. Yes, you know, I don't have a lot of views on these videos which are just my reactions part. I don't have a lot of views on them, so I don't think that it can be really, I don't know the word for that in English, prejudicial? I don't know, I'm gonna put the translation right here. I don't think that it can be prejudicial for the BBC for me to act like that, and it's a way for me to still share with you my thoughts and my theories about Peaky Blinders when the episodes are out, and for you to also have the part with my reactions in it. But you know what? Even if I'm putting my intros and reviews on YouTube and my reaction part on another platform, I'm gonna keep for that other platform the rules that I'm applying to my reaction videos in general. Usually I'm putting 8 minutes or 10 minutes of the show. For Peaky Blinders, usually I'm making a reaction video in 2 parts, so I think that it's gonna be an 14 or 15 minute reaction video in this platform. But like I'm usually doing for each reaction video that I'm doing, I'm gonna keep the rule of 8-second scene. Maybe you didn't see it, even if you are watching my channel for a long time now, but I'm really just keeping 8 seconds each time to the scene. Here on screen I'm cutting, because really I don't want to be a streaming way to see the show. I don't want to be an hidden streaming. I'm not making the reaction videos for that. If you want to see the episode, go see the episode where you want, but really you're not gonna see the whole episode on my channel. I'm making reaction videos. I'm not making a streaming. So yes, even if I'm choosing that way of dealing with Peaky Blinders, the season 5, with the intro and reviews on YouTube and with the reaction part on another platform, I'm gonna keep my rules for the reaction videos with that reaction part, with a 14 or 15 minutes video and with just 8-second scene in the video each time. Maybe you don't understand why, but that's my way of seeing the reaction videos. That's my way of seeing the fair use of an episode, a show, and that's it. And it's the best way that I found to still continue the reaction videos about Peaky Blinders without being blocked, and for you to have still my intro reviews, analysis and series. So I'm gonna make the intro, so I'm gonna finish the intro with what I thought about the last episode, and then we're gonna have a little break, and after that the review. And during the little break you can click on pause, you can go on the description. On the description you have the link to see the reaction part on another platform. Go see the reaction part on another platform, and then come back to see the review of the episode, to talk about the episode with me on the comments. I'm not gonna respond to you on the comments part of the platform. No, it's too much work. If you want to talk to me, if you want to share your thoughts with me, if you want to share your series with me, if you want to ask me things, and if you want me to respond to you, it's on YouTube. I'm not gonna respond to you on other platforms. It's too much work. It's already messy, so please don't make it messier by commenting on this platform. Please comment on YouTube. Okay, stop about that thing about how you can watch my reaction videos about Peaky Blinders, about really Peaky Blinders, about this season 5. You know that I love Peaky Blinders. You saw me, I binge watched the show and I put all of my reaction videos on YouTube, and you saw me falling in love with this family, the Shelby's family. I love all of them so much. Polly, Ada and Finn are in my heart forever and ever. I don't want anything bad to happen to them, please. And really, I love this family, and this season 5, so far, the 2 first episodes were really interesting because for me they were really one episode, you know. The first one was there to present us the new storylines, the new challenge for the show, for what is happening, but also all of the evolutions of each characters, you know. Ada is pregnant. Tommy is really not well in his head, he's hallucinating Grace. You know what I think about her, I'm not gonna say it again. He's really not well in his head, in his mind, he has mental issues, he's hallucinating Grace, he's seeing also conspiracy everywhere. That's not gonna be good for him, for the family. I think that he's gonna think that everyone wants his place. I don't know, he's gonna do something stupid because of that. I don't know what yet, but it's gonna be really bad. Finn wants to prove himself. I don't like that because he just took a bullet, and no, nothing bad can happen to Finn. I don't want that. It's really no. It's not possible. Arthur, I really didn't like what Arthur did during the last episode with Linda. The way that he talked to her, I was really not okay with that. He really disappointed me with that, really. So I hope that that's gonna change because I'm not gonna be okay with that really long. Michael is back. Michael is back with his wife. His wife is pregnant. I'm not sure of how I'm feeling with her yet. You know, every time that someone new is entering into the Shelby's family, I'm like, no, maybe not. You have to deserve it, you know, to be into that family, you have to deserve it, you have to prove yourself, to prove that you deserve to be into that family. So for now, I'm really like, girl, deserve it. If you want to be in that family, prove yourself. For now, I'm okay, why not? Why not? I'm open to let you enter into that family, but you have to prove yourself. So we'll see about that. And for the storylines, really, all of the storylines are really interesting, but we have a lot of storylines. We have the storylines about the Billy Boys. They're frightening me. Really, they're frightening me because maybe I don't understand really what they want. What do they want to Tommy? Really, I'm not sure of that. So for now, they're frightening me. And what they did to Goldson, yes, they're frightening me. We have Mosley, the political side of the show now, so we'll see about that, if it can be interesting or not. For now, I'm not sure of Mosley, if I like him or not. I'm not sure of his intentions. I really didn't like the way that he was talking to Ada and to Tommy during the last episode, but I don't know where we are going with him yet, so we'll see about that. We have the financial crisis, so they are broke, they don't have any money, so what can they do with that? Tommy said that he has a plan, but what plan? I want to know more about that. We have the journalist who is dead, and that was not a clever move, I think, from Tommy to kill him like that. Of course, people are gonna ask questions. Of course, he said to people that he was searching for stuff on Tommy, so Of course, they're gonna make the connection with Tommy, and I really don't think that it was a good idea. So, another storyline. See, we have a lot of things to think about, and I'm not sure that all of the storylines are gonna end with this season. We only have 6 episodes. That's not enough, I think, to end all of the storylines. I mean, the storylines about the show, about this season, all of what I said, but also all of the things about each character. It's really a lot of things to deal with, and I don't think that even if we have long episodes, we have 1 hour episode, I don't think that we can end all of that during only this season. Okay, so enough talking. Now, just after that moment, you're gonna see a big picture where I remind you to go in the description, to click to have the reaction part, and then to come back to see the review of the episode. So I will see you back then. And now let's go for the episode 3. Are you still here? That's the first time that I'm making a reaction video knowing that I'm gonna have to cut and to put the video in different places, so I'm not sure that you are still here. Are you still here? We're gonna watch the episode 3 together. Again, it's not because I'm on another platform that I'm gonna put all of the episodes. This is not a streaming way of watching the show. If you want to watch all of the show, go somewhere else. This is just my reactions about the show, about the big moments of the episode. And then I really hope that you're gonna come back to see my review on YouTube, because I'm talking a lot about each episode, about my series, about my thoughts, and I also want to hear what you thought about this episode, if you saw something that I didn't see, stuff like that. So please come back to see the review after you saw the reaction part. Let's go for the episode 3.
Good morning, sisters.
What? Why are we here? It's so not the Peaky Blinders. That music, it's from the Peaky Blinders. I can recognize that music.
You wanted to speak to us, Mr. Shelby?
About what?
We don't smoke in here.
Well, I fucking do.
We find fault in the innocent. But you do.
What did they do?
May I ask what this meeting is about? The testimony of children. You had a child half black. You made her wash with a different soap.
What?
Our sins against the beating of children with bricks and houses.
They are doing that?
Against the black child who hanged herself for fear of your temper.
Did you not see Henry?
Put them on your face. Or it'll be your eyes that are broken.
You see the world broken. Not those beaten children will.
Look at me!
All children to be taken into our own institutions.
You have no say in where the children...
If I come for you, I will wear high heels so you can hear my approach on the cobblestairs and have time to repent.
Before she will kill you. Whoa! That was interesting to see them really working together and acting for that foundation.
You go to the hospital and speak to Albert Armagold. You tell him there is a strategy in place to avenge the death of his son. Albert Armagold is in love with you. They even got an haircut.
Oh.
45 years old today.
45 years old and still breaking hearts.
Nah.
Yeah, that's a point. Ollie Gray.
Too funny. Mwah.
Michael, turn the Bentley around. We're trying to catch. And don't forget to wipe that shit off your shoes, eh?
Yes, let your ego away, Michael. Really, you did mistakes.
So, what's the strategy? You can smile. You don't smile.
Nah. You never saw his office?
Your office will be bigger than this. It will be. The man we're about to meet is the devil.
Mostly? Yes, it's him. You think that Mosley is the devil?
About your family.
You think that he can be a threat?
I understand you know a man called Jimmy McCavern. May I take a cigarette? Please.
I find him annoying. For now, he's not frightening me, he's not interesting me really. He's more annoying than other things.
Michael.
You know him?
Michael Gray. A nightclub in Detroit called the Gladiator is your regular. You lost the money.
You know a lot about him.
My spies tell me she's been seen with another man. Nothing.
What?
Mr. Shelby, I do have plans.
Linda
I will.
is seeing someone else?
You, in particular, I need.
For doing what exactly?
Imagine how
Stop
myself
with your shit, really.
many enemies. Start investigation of the dead journalist. The queer. I made that go away.
Who are you really to make that kind of threat to the Shelbys? Who are you? Shangreta during the last season was threatening me because he has a presence, he has something. Him? Yes, you know stuff about them, but am I impressed because of that? No.
Who the fuck are these people?
Yes, who the fuck is he?
The fuck are they? I've just been invited to become the deputy leader of a brand new political party.
A fascist party? No, Tommy, don't go in there. It's gonna disappoint me so much if he's doing
I
that.
stopped from saying more of it.
Okay.
To divorce a Shelby man, you have to go to a solicitor in London. I found one.
You both want to divorce?
Not through fear. I chose this life. It didn't choose me.
Also, Lizzie, one of the friends is a man. He listens to me when I talk.
That's the man
His wife
that
died of the Spanish flu.
Mosley was
He has
talking
daughters.
about.
I'm considering making this daughter an orphan. You don't get what you deserve, you get what you take.
What about him?
He's making up his mind.
He's lost in his mind. And because of that, he's not seeing that Lizzie can be good for him if he just let her be good with him. One of you told me on the comments that Lizzie was really not a good wife because she was not listening to Tommy, she was not helping him, but Tommy is not letting anyone helping him and is really like pushing away everyone who is trying to help him. So no, I'm not mad at Lizzie because of how Tommy is feeling.
But if they had told me that baby had died inside of me, I would have wanted someone with me.
Do you want me to cook something?
Cook. You don't mind.
Nah, a man can cook.
Really not bad.
At school, some of the children say that black people and Jews are worse.
Come on, don't be like that.
Anything?
Carl, these days there are some very stupid people saying some very stupid things.
I think I don't want you to be my dad. But my dad's white. And he's in heaven.
Carl, are you really saying what I think that he's saying? Come on, you're Ada's son.
You must stay here. And you'll let Tommy deal with the man who killed your son.
I'm 45 today. I'm probably a bit older than that. Happy birthday, Polly Gray.
That's sweet. You're not gonna say goodbye to him like a proper goodbye?
Get a car and a driver.
Oh.
The Fury family account.
Ah,
I need that man to help me. Going to Scotland tonight.
Scotland?
You know I'll be here? Yeah, we know you'll be here. Get some business for you. Come find Carl. Behind an ice cream. Hey? Fuck you, Tom.
Oh, be careful with your words. You made mistakes, remember?
Baby's his heart's beating strong. I swear to God, Tom, by the time that baby draws his first breath, you and I will be gone. There are doctors in London now, can talk their way into your head. Perhaps you should see one.
I already said it during the season 4. You need to see someone, a psychiatrist, I don't know how to say it in English.